Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll help you decide which free video editing software to choose between InShot and VN Video Editor. Let's start with InShot. InShot is designed mainly for quick social media style edits. It's great for trimming, adding filters, text, stickers, and even AI-generated effects. The free version works well, but it does leave a watermark on your exported videos, unless you subscribe to the Pro version. If you just need fast edits for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or short YouTube clips, InShot is easy and user-friendly. Now, let's look at VN Video Editor. VN is completely free and does not add a watermark to your videos. It offers a timeline-based editor, which is more like professional editing software. You can add multiple layers of video, text, audio, and effects. VN also has features like keyframe animation, advanced transitions, and color grading options, which give you much more control. So how should you choose? If you want something quick, simple, and easy for social content, InShot is the better choice. If you want more professional tools, advanced editing, and watermark-free exports, VN Video Editor is the smarter option. Both are free to download. But your choice depends on whether you prefer simplicity or professional control. And that's how you can choose between InShot and VN for free video editing.